In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Wi-Fi on HP Deskjet 2755E. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have this specific model of HP printer or any other similar one from the Deskjet line, you can follow the instructions in this video to connect it to a Wi-Fi network. So all that you have to do is use the cancel and the Wi-Fi buttons on the printer itself. So while the printer is powered on, press and hold both of these buttons down for a few seconds. Doing so will make it search for nearby networks and it's going to become available to be discovered. So press both of these buttons down for a few seconds. Once you do this, now you can use the HP Smart application. You can download this app on a PC or mobile device, whatever you prefer. I'm going to be showing you how to set it up through the PC application, but you can absolutely use the mobile app as well. To start, tap the option to add printer or click on the plus sign here. And now the HP printer should appear on this list. If it is not appearing on this list right away, then try doing the button combination again. Either try pressing only the Wi-Fi button or both of them together. The light here on the indicator should begin blinking, and as long as it appears on this list, you can select it. If it is still not appearing, choose this option and follow the instructions for additional help. Either way, once you select the printer, this network will be selected right away. If you don't want to connect it to this network, select Change Network and input the password for the network that you select. Choose Connect, and finally wait for this process to be done. If any problems are found midway through, then just follow the instructions to address them. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.